Just wondering, why did you choose to fix this car up versus any other model, being that this kinda a boring car?
Because it's misfiring a lot and I spend money on it. There's nothing boring about an all-wheel drive Terrain. Absolutely nothing. So I think I've removed this sensor once before, but I never cleaned it with alchemabuzahol. I probably just cleaned it with a very sterilizing gaze. Let's let it focus. You can see there's some gunk on there. Oh, it smells just like fish. Maybe 4 in the D was here. The sensors are in here. Boop. See in there? Down that channel. There's like, it looks like a resistor or something. That is what I'm gonna clean with alcohol. You don't wanna clean it with like carb cleaner or something because you could remove a ceramic coating. I got some budget alchemabuzahol and we're going to choker. Just trip it on there a little bit. You know what I mean? Just give it a soak. Alcohol doesn't affect electronics. Isopropyl doesn't affect electronics. So I'm just dumping it down some holes. See that? Twisting back and forth as I go in. It's my classic move. So I don't think this is my problem. Let's see if it dies by misfire alone. I hear some misfires. Yeah. Bunk. Bunk, 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 bunk. I'm curious if it'll die. Misfire, 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 misfire. So we're still misfiring.
Better. Personally, I would start at the cylinder, aka the plugs for info. Are they carbon fouled? Are they fuel soaked, etc.?
Okay, let's pull a plug. That's interesting. It's more lean. The lean would lean towards a dirty injector. Oh, were you looking at the ceiling the whole time? I'm sorry.
Used to your cinematography skills, Keba.
And the last one, about the same. The 4 plugs are out. They all look pretty much the same. They're misfiring randomly, and they're all on the leaner side. So we need fuel. Consider the plugs checked. So I'm gonna put the plugs in. Oh, it's dried out. Oh, it would absolutely start a ginormous engine fire. Look at this thing. You touched down in the wrong place. Okay, let's just get to it. So unplug all these sensors. That's number uno, dos, tres, amigo me. Wow, the first plug, I just can't get the first plug off. Well, I guess that's a night. Ciao, ciao. Second plug's off. Why can't they just make them all the same? Literally every single plug is different. I do not understand it. Third plug off. That's the evap line. Goodbye. This plug needs to come out. Getting a mosquito bite on my back. There it is. That one's out. So now it's just this. Okay, well, use my brain and it came out. What do you know? Take this piece off. That one came off. Utterly so. There's an evap line down there I gotta take off with a pair of pliers. It's being made. Oh, we did it. Oh my God. Somebody give me a trophy. Nothing too big. There's 3 bolts on the back of there. They need to come out. I don't think you're gonna be able to see it. It's behind this battery. It's just a bracket that holds on the fuel pump. They say it's a high pressure pump, so I don't know what's going on there because it's gotta suck it through a filter, I guess. Because usually your pump's in your fuel tank, right? Here we go. There it is. All right. Next one. Oh, there's the other one that holds that bracket. There we go. It's like, why isn't this bracket moving? Just got bit. Again. All right, so that's one. taking the oil dipstick thing, the bracket off of the air intake. Okay, there it is. We should be able to pull the air intake out now. Okay, we got it. We got it. So there's the rail. I don't even have to pull this thing all the way out. There's the rail right there. Woo! You guys see that shiny new rail? There it is. There's gonna be gas everywhere. I got an adjustable here. Fuel rail is held on by a metal line, pressurized metal line. And there's a coupler thing that I've got to loosen. There it is. Okay, now push it down. Here we go. Now I'm pulling the main fuel line off the injectors, and it's been like 5 minutes. The thread is insane. There, it just popped. Okay. I've already got one of the bolts loose for the fuel rail. What I'm doing is this. Sticking that in there, wiggling it up and down like that, and pulling the rail forward. I think I might have wrecked one. Nope. Oh, there's fuel pouring out over my hand. Okay, so these injectors look frickin' weird. And there is a electrical plug underneath it that's zipped on there. Oh, I didn't even need to take the plug out? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Fucking serious. What the fuck? Just murder me. All right, here's, oh shit, it's pissing gas everywhere. Let's look at these things. Wow. Okay, let me bring a white background in here. This looks like shit. Look at this. Oh, it's peeing again. Look at that end. Let's let it focus. Look at that end. There's a little dot in the middle. That, like, this injector is completely covered. There's like nothing left in this carburetor. Yeah, no, just let me slap it back in and say it'll take nothing. It'll be nothing. It'll be nothing, bro. Okay, well, let's go see it run. All right, that goes this way. Stinks. Freaking mosquito, they're eating me. No misfires. Fingers crossed. That's the pump priming. That was a long prime. Okay, it's gonna sound like shit starting up. Yeah, it's not firing. Keep going, keep going. Oh shit. I forgot to put a hose on. It was sucking air through a small port where a hose is supposed to be. All right, have a good one. Here we go. Is there misfiring? Holy shit, it sounds good. No fucking way. I mean, it's not perfectly smooth, but I don't hear any misfires. Are we leaking fuel everywhere? Let's see. No, there'd be fuel everywhere if we had a leak. It's way better. I mean, this is 10 times better than what it was. Maybe I should just run seafoam in my gas. Couldn't get seafoam. Nothing to look at here. Nothing to look at here. I think that's it. So you're supposed to put it conditions up to 79 liters. And I just put it in for like 10 liters. So hopefully it's more concentrated and does more damage. Here we go, this is the next morning and we're gonna start up the vehicle. I wanna see what temperature it is first. It is 16 degrees Celsius, 8:30. So it should misfire and die right now. Oh, that's already much smoother. So I feel like it's a success. Thanks for watching. Want some more, hit the channel. See you next time. Ciao.